Hey people, well I thought I'd get some videos taken before I forget. This one's kind of overdue. This is a Hoover slash Nat Monarch model 6700-08. This is a little 8-inch desk fan. It may not look that small on camera, but looks pretty small in person. This is like the one that Esky Wolf still has. So I thought since I had the two bigger versions, why not have the small 8-inch version as well? So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Here's one side. As you can see, the stand and housing are this pale pink. Unlike Harvest Gold, like the bigger ones are. Here's the other side. And on the back. As you can see, there's no switch on there. This is of course single speed, but not always a single speed. As I said, there's no switch on there. This is just a plug and go model. And I'll turn it back around. It has the blades like this. They're probably almost the same color as the stand and housing. There's the Hoover badge, just like the other two. And I think I may have to go around to the other side to plug this in to demonstrate it. Maybe not. So without further ado, here's on. Pretty much for a fan of its size, it uses a good amount of air. And as Tori the Fan Man says it, no medium, no low, so off we go. Which I just unplug it. It has a good coast down time too. So there you have it. This is my little 8-inch Hoover desk fan, model 6700-08. So thank you for watching.